What are you planning to do after passing your 12th class? Please tell me.
Sorry sir, I can't say anything right now. It is totally dependent on my result. Result will tell me what will I select.
So what have you planned if you got good marks in your 12th class? Have you thought anything about your future?
If I get good scores, then I will prepare for UPSC exam. And my dream is to become an IAS officer.
Why did you dream to become an IPS officer?
My father saw a dream to become an IPS officer, and he wanted to see me as a collector, so it is my dream, and it is also my parents, which I have to fulfill by leaves and bonds.
This is very good, for you must fulfill of your parents' dream, and you are a very hard worker, and honestly you should do this course as soon as possible.
Yes sir, but I don't know anything about it. What should I do for this? Can you please guide me if you have some idea?
Yes, why not? My brother is an IPS officer, and he knows a very good teacher and coaching, and he will guide you. I will fix a meeting with him to you.
That's very nice. I promise you, if he will guide me properly, I will definitely become an IPS officer within 3 to 5 years.
Why not? I promise you, when he will come back, I will fix a meeting with him and he will guide you properly. Then you can prepare for your aim, and I know you can do it by leaps and bounds.
Thanks very much to cooperate me, and I am really nice to meet you, and I am very lucky that I have a teacher like you who always guides students in proper way. Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay, but it is my duty which I am doing. No need to thank you. Best of luck for your bright future. Have a nice day.